online services to citizens. The four holy Kapilvastu relics of Lord Buddha reach Mongolia for an 11th day exposition today, along with 25-member delegation led by Minister of Law and Justice Kiren Rijiju accompanying the sacred relics. The holy relics was received with great reverence and ceremoniously at the Ulaanbaatar International Airport by the Culture Minister of Mongolia, Chairperson of India-Mongolia Friendship Group, advisor to the President of Mongolia and a large number of monks, among other dignitaries. On the occasion, Minister of Law and Justice Shri Kiren Rijiju said that the historical relations between India and Mongolia will further strengthen with the coming of relics from India to Mongolia. Union Minister also said that through the delegation, India is carrying Buddha's message of peace to the world. He also informed that the main Buddha statue in the Gandhan Monastery was gifted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2015 to the people of Mongolia, and it has been installed in 2018.
Buddhist devotees will come and get
का अवशेषों का यहाँ लाना बुद्ध पूर्णिमा के दिन पर और 11 दिन यहाँ रखेंगे, उसमें यहाँ सभी श्रद्धालुओं को यहाँ आके इसका दर्शन करने का मौका मिलेगा। इस दृष्टि से भी बहुत खास है और साथ साथ नरेंद्र मोदी जी के समय से जो हमारा पुराना रिश्ता है, हज़ारों साल का रिश्ता को एक नई आयाम और नई ऊंचाई तक पहुंचाने में जो कामयाब हुआ है, मैं मानता हूं कि भारत और मंगोलिया के बीच में ऐतिहासिक संबंध जो है और मजबूती से आगे।
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi today